The APC on Tuesday, through its fundraising committee, launched 5 various contribution and payment platforms to support the General Muhammad Buhari Professor Yemi Osinbajo campaign program. Reacting to the NCC letter to the telecom operators, which the governor said was directing them not to carry messages from the political party, Mr. Fashola noted that the APC's partnership with the telecom operators and commercial banks was purely a commercial transaction that promoted business and also created jobs, and not an endorsement of any political party.
As a Nigerian, I feel personally embarrassed, because before the end of Tuesday, after I briefed you, the National Communications Commission, the NCC, had issued a letter to the telecoms operators not to carry political messages. And I will leave a copy of that letter with you after I finish. So by yesterday afternoon, apart from issuing that letter saying that telcos should not carry political messages on Tuesday afternoon, by yesterday afternoon, they have gone on and shut down the 35350 platform for sending text messages to contribute 100 naira.
According to the campaign committee, over 5,400 citizens had sent text message to the 35350 short code before it was shut down. Although no official letter was sent to the party, the APC said it would have sought legal redress on the matter if not for the strike of judicial workers.
All of you are aware that the presidential campaign has also been using this platform. Mr. President himself has a Facebook page.
The party's various platforms for fundraising include payments through 5 commercial banks, website, SMS short code, purchase of ringtone, and scratch cards.